Kia ora.
Kia ora. Welcome to Reading Time with Loopy Tunes.
Yay!
Alright,
Oh, yes.
What is our puka puka today, Leah? Oh, that was cool.
Oh, whoops. Square Eyes
Square Eyes.
by Craig Smith.
The
illustrated
amazing Craig Smith.
by Scott
Tulloch.
Tulloch.
So we're going to read that after we welcome you. Ready to do our welcome song? Welcome everyone, how are you? No mai kia koutou kei te pehea koutou ko te wapa nui me te waiata. It's time to read and sing. Yay! Alright. And it was also published by Scholastic Books.
Woohoo!
Alright, I'm going to come a little closer. Alright, and this is called Square Eyes. Check out our panda. Hea te kupu Māori mo square, Leah. Tapawhā. Maybe ngā karu, ngā wha...
Oh, yeah. Forgot the eyes
Tapawhā,
bits.
yeah. Square Eyes. And check out the bumblebee. Alright, now this is actually a songbook, but I'm going to read it today because no one can sing it as well as Craig Smith. And I'm not Craig Smith. Alright. I have a friend who sits inside all day, watching TV, letting the day waste away. What's TV, e te reo Māori, Leah? Pauaka whakaata. It doesn't matter if it's wet or if it's sunny. He goes to the telly like a bee goes to honey. And this is one thing that is really, really sad because there's so much other fun that can be had. Can you see him watching TV? He's missing out on a lot of stuff though. He's got square eyes. He's got no exercise because he's got, what does he have? Square eyes. It's a square. Now, television isn't always bad, especially reading time with Loopy Tunes. And sometimes it's fun and education can be had. But if you spend all your time ignoring everyone to watch the box instead, it stops being fun. Your brain goes fuzzy and it kind of goes numb. That's why you need to turn off the television after Loopy Tunes. Square eyes. Don't get square eyes. Come on, let's exercise. Don't get square eyes. Now let's think about this. What else can be done besides sitting inside, seated on your chair? I know what you're thinking, but it's chair. Listen to some music, dance your way to fame, read a book, invent a new game. Scoot to the library, go right in, use your imagination. It's a wonderful thing. Look at that, we love the library. Square eyes, don't get square eyes. Come on, let's exercise and don't get square eyes. There's Leah's square eyes. Swimming in the ool, you can splash all day. Notice there's no pee in it. Please let it stay that way. Play some sport or help make tea. Bake some cookies, give them all to me. Or her,
Or
me. Ride a bike, go climb a tree, play a board game with your family. Who likes playing board games?
We definitely
We do. Leah has a cupboard just down here full of board games. Square eyes, don't get square eyes. Let's go exercise so we don't get square eyes. Take a hike in the hills, go on an adventure. Go to the beach, oh how I love nature. Do your chores, it really does pay to get them done early. This is what I say. Learn an instrument, music you can play. In fact, some people make a living that way. Like some of us. But square eyes, don't get those square eyes. Come on, let's exercise so we don't get square eyes. Yay! And look, there's a CD at the back. Thank you so
Yay.
much, Craig, for letting us read your book, and to Scott for your cool as illustrations, and to Scholastic for making it all come together.
Woohoo.
All right, now we decided to pair this book up with a song that we've just released 2 days ago, called It's a Tapawhā. Now, do you remember what Tapawhā is, i te reo Māori? It's a square. All right, so this is a super easy song, teaching you some shapes and gives you a chance to count. Who doesn't like counting? Okay, ready? It's a Tapawhā, it has 4 sides. It's a Tapawhā, it has 4 sides. It's a Tapawhā, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square. Well done. All right, let's do the next shape. It's a tapatoru. It has 3 sides. It's a tapatoru. It has 3 sides. It's a tapatoru. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle. Sorry, I'm supposed to leave that for you to fill in. All right, now this one, it has no sides, but it goes round and round. It's a porofita, it goes round and round. It's a porofita, it goes round and round. It's a porofita, it goes round and round. Round and round, it's a circle. Well done, I heard you yelling that one. Alright, next one's our tapa. Nope, it's our... We forgot to do that one. Let's do our fetu. We're going to use our fingers for our fetu. Fetu is a star. It's a fetu. It has 5 points. It's a fetu. It has 5 points. It's a fetu. It has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a star. I already told you that one. Alright, now it's getting a bit tricky. And next one's our tapa ono. Ready? It's a tapa ono. It has 6 sides. It's a tapa ono. It has 6 sides. It's a tapa ono. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Nice. All right. Now this is the trickiest. Some fast counting for this one. It's a tapawaru. It has 8 sides. It's a tapawaru. It has 8 sides. It's a tapawaru. It has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, octagon. Did you keep up? Yeah. That's some fast counting for you. Woo. Yay. All right. Now we hope you enjoyed our reading time today. Thank you again to Craig, Scott and Scholastic for letting us read Square Eyes, and hope you have an awesome week. Ka kite.